Welcome, my friend. I am Leopold, a healer from the other side, and it's my privilege to bring this healing experience to you. Your heart, your faithful friend in loving and living, attacked almost constantly from the stresses of modern life and the unseen emotional burdens you carry, the toxins in your environment, and the relentless pace of your days. Tiring and weakening under pressures both known and unspoken, including gradual degeneration with aging and possible illness. Comprised of intricate anatomical structures, allowing the rhythmic circulation of life force, the pulse of warmth, the steady drumbeat of your existence. Each meticulously designed to play a critical role in the sacred flow of your vitality. Let me bring beautiful healing energy from the other side to repair, strengthen, and nourish your heart. It is no coincidence that brought you to this healing experience. You have been led here because you need it. To aid this healing experience in bringing divine health to your heart, it's good to have a basic understanding of the heart structure itself. This will help as you journey around and through the heart, leading the healing energy to where it's needed most. Energy follows the awareness, or as is often said in Chinese medicine, the qi, or energy, follows the yi, or intention. The images on your screen now show the heart and its structures, both outside and inside, to help familiarize you with the basic anatomy of this sacred muscular temple. Pause the video and take in the heart's anatomy if you wish before proceeding. Then, when you're ready, I will lead you through this magical energy healing experience. Begin by finding a quiet place to sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed. It is best to wear clothing that is comfortable. When your heart's healing experience begins, you can either keep your eyes open or have your eyes closed. There will be images of the various structures of your heart as healing progresses. However, you don't need to look at any screen during your healing experience. The beautiful healing energy will align with you wherever you are. Pause your video and settle yourself by taking a few deep inhalations and exhalations. When you are ready, restart your video. Your beautiful healing experience begins in 10 seconds. Close your eyes now, dear seeker, and let the outer world grow dim. Feel the gentle tide of your breath flowing in and out, in and out. Each inhale draws you deeper into stillness. Each exhale releases all that is not peace, melting away like frost beneath a golden dawn. Now, envision a radiant golden sphere of light, the color of beautiful healing Manuka honey, thick and luminous, spinning just above your crown. This is healing energy, pure and divine, shimmering with the power to restore, renew, and revitalize. With your next inhale, draw this golden light down through your body, filling every cell with its warmth. Feel it pooling around you, forming a protective auric field, a shimmering cocoon of safety and peace. Today, we journey into the mystical core of your heart, blessing each chamber and valve with this golden light, dissolving all that no longer serves you, and awakening perfect, vibrant, loving health. Let us begin. Bring your awareness now to the pericardium, the silken cocoon, the gossamer sac that cradles your heart in tender embrace. Feel its two-layered softness, its silent, lubricating grace with every beat. Breathe golden light into this silken sheath. Imagine the honeyed energy seeping into every membrane, every lubricated space. Feel a soothing warmth as the light dissolves any inflammation, any rigid scar, any whispered grief held in its fibers. With each exhale, release old armoring, sending it out beyond your auric field, where it dissolves into light. Whisper gratitude to this faithful guardian for cushioning your heart's pulsing dance and holding it in safety's embrace. See it now, supple and luminous, a pearlescent cocoon of peace. Pause a moment, feeling your heart held in liquid gold. Shift your focus now to the myocardium, your heart's steadfast wall. the mighty rhythmic muscle that is your heart's true substance. Feel its thickness, its tireless pulsing, the drumbeat of your existence. Bathe it now in golden light. Sense the vibration as every spiraling fiber drinks in this radiance. Visualize the light flowing into the deepest layers, repairing any micro tears, strengthening each cell, awakening a youthful resilience. Any heaviness, any ache of old sorrow, softening and transmuting into divine golden strength. Breathe out fatigue, breathe in eternal vitality. Your heart wall now beats with the power of a gentle sun, warm and unflagging. Breathe, savoring its steady, luminous pulse. Now, journey inward to the 4 sacred chambers, the right and left atria, and the right and left ventricles, each a room in the temple of your spirit. Feel their receptivity, their open space, their precise flow. Flood each chamber with golden light, letting it swirl through the atria, washing away any residue of fear. Watch as it pours into the ventricles, clearing any stagnation, any shadow of old pain. See the walls shining, clean and bright, as if newly adorned with liquid gold. Exhale any constriction, inhale spaciousness. These sacred chambers now hum with clear, resonant emptiness, ready to receive and release with divine grace. With each exhale, sense the luminous harmony within. Now call upon the 4 magical gateways, the mitral, tricuspid, aortic, and pulmonary valves. Feel their delicate leaflets opening and closing like the petals of mystic night-blooming flowers. Invite golden light into each one, saturating their slender cords, their tiny muscles. See the light polishing them until they gleam, restoring perfect, unhindered motion. Any stiffness, any backward leak is sealed by light. They now dance in flawless rhythm, the perfect doorkeepers for the river of your life. Breathe into their grace, exhale any insufficiency. They are now gates of liquid gold, opening only to love. Inhale, feeling the smooth, silent tide within. Turn your attention inward now, to the heart's hidden electrical network. The sinoatrial node, the atrioventricular node, the bundle branches that carry the spark of life. This is the sacred fire, the inner lightning. Flood this delicate web with golden light, watching as any frayed pathway is rewoven, any short circuit smoothed. Feel the warm, rhythmic humming as the light quickens each cell to perfect conduction. Your heart's rhythm is now a divine song, steady as the pulse of the cosmos. Breathe in order, exhale chaos. Your inner fire burns with clarity, a beacon of calm. Pause, listening to the perfect internal song. Invite into your heart images of the ones you solemnly care for and adore, images of the beautiful places where you feel safest and most content. With each heartbeat, see health and vitality caress and imbue your loved ones, and bless these sacred places. Now, step back and behold your heart, whole, radiant, pulsing with golden light. Every chamber, every valve, every fiber harmonizes, flowing with divine ease. It is a sun within your chest, radiating warmth through your entire being. Whisper thanks to this precious gift, for love given and received, for every heartbeat that has carried you through joy and sorrow. Your heart is your sacred compass, the drum of your soul. When you are ready, gently return to your surroundings, carrying this golden sun within you. Your heart is at peace. Your heart is healed. So it is.